Hello, my name is Dan Fu. I'm assistant professor of chemistry at the University of Washington. My group works at the interface of chemistry, engineering, and medicine. We develop cutting-edge research tools that are motivated by real-world problems. One example is cancer. When a patient goes to a doctor, how do we ensure that cancer can be detected at an early stage? If surgery is needed, how do we know that the tumor is cut out clean without any residual cancer cells? If we use targeted cancer drugs, how do we know which drug is going to work better for the patient, and how do we overcome drug resistance? In my lab, we are driven by these challenges to develop new optical spectroscopy and microscopy tools that allow us to see individual living cells, identify cancer cells, measure their properties, and quantify their drug response. These capabilities are enabled by our efforts in laser engineering, microscope instrumentation, and machine learning to visualize molecules directly in living cells with high sensitivity, specificity, and spatial resolution. I cannot wait to share our excitement with you about these innovative tools and their applications during your virtual visit.
Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm a postdoc in the Fu Lab. I also did my PhD in the Fu Lab. And what I like about the time that I've spent here over the past 5.5 years is that you really get a sense of how an entire experiment works. Nothing that we do is black box. We build all of our own optical systems and electronics. And you get a really, really good sense of how all of the pieces come together to do a whole experiment. Beyond that, we're able to apply our techniques to a broad range of samples, which means that if you're interested in the biological side, you can investigate that. Or if you're interested more in the material side, you can go down that. Our published works, have varied from imaging fingerprints left on surfaces to imaging live animal brains. So we do a lot of diverse research, which I really enjoy.
I decided to join the group when I walked into the lab for the first time. I was immediately charmed by the complex and fancy equipment we have, and I thought it would be really cool to see and learn how to work with laser, design and build microscope systems. I love my group even more after I started to work in the lab. I love how everyone is passionate about what we do and is always willing to help, support and bond with each other. I absolutely enjoy working with Dan, our PI, who is very knowledgeable, friendly and supportive. It was Dan and all my amazing lab mates that made the time I spent in the group enjoyable and rewarding.
Some of the reasons why I enjoy our research group are the fact that we pursue very interesting research questions, and we also develop cutting-edge tools for biomedical imaging applications. We also have a great working environment, very friendly, very collegiate. We all enjoy each other's company, and we all like to see each other succeed. Lastly, our research advisor, Dan Fu, is a very intelligent and capable scientist, and one of his top priorities is to see you succeed. So rest assured that if you join our lab, you'll have a great environment to nurture your scientific skills.
Hi everyone, I'm Bryce. I'm a fourth year in the Fu group here. Some of my favorite things about lab are working with such brilliant fellow grad students and colleagues in the group. I feel like we're all really good friends and we all really trust one another. Some of my favorite things about UW is just it has such a gorgeous campus. You can kind of see behind me here. It's just green year-round, and some days you get to see Rainier from over on the Vista, which is especially gorgeous. So if you're interested, give us a check out. We have some really awesome research in nonlinear optics and even on my side in deep learning, if you're interested in that sort of thing. Thanks.